Number 29, the penultimate item of the 30-man capsule wardrobe. And this is something very special. This is something that other capsule wardrobes do not have. We've got 2 final items for you in this capsule wardrobe, Linda Page 123 Style Me program, that you will not see elsewhere, and here's why. At number 29 is the smile. Here at Linda Page, we advocate that fashion should be a relationship builder, and so we are all about wearing items and jewelry that are eye catchers, conversation starters, and relationship builders. So with that in mind, I'm sure you know how tough the fashion industry can be. I'm sure you know how tough the world can be. Whether you're a mom, whether you're a businesswoman, whether you are a 22-year-old young woman starting out in her career, the world can do with a bit of kindness. And so we are massive advocates of learning to smile more and more. I am personally someone who, when I concentrate, you can see these 2 tracks here, I tend to frown. And I actually practice smiling every single day, and it's incredible what the smile can do. This is especially true if you are a bold, confident dresser. I'm sure if that's the case that you often get much more envious looks from other people, other women, than you do compliments. And the best thing you can do in response to that is smile. Remember to meet her where she's at. Remember that if you're stepping out to be a bold light on a hill, then it requires you to be confident, more so and more courageous than the next person, because when you do that, it inspires other women to do the same. So at number 29, I'm going to encourage you to every single day put that smile on, put your lip gloss on, or put your favorite pink or red or nude shade on. Find out what it is that makes you feel confident and smile.